The Pago Yucan chair embraces your body, providing support and comfort at every touchpoint. The Yucan is dedicated to delivering complete ergonomic support, making it a masterpiece that elevates both your home and work environment. Specifically designed to accommodate larger occupants, the Yucan is a substantial chair that prioritises robust support. At the core of the Yucan chair lies the revolutionary PostureSure synchro mechanism with tension control. This remarkable feature effortlessly adapts to the user's weight, promoting correct posture and long-lasting comfort, even during extended periods of use. The premium alloy spider base adds sophistication, while the depth-adjustable moulded foam seat accommodates a wide range of users. The first lever operates the gas lifter. Place your feet firmly on the floor and ensure there is a 90-degree angle between your thigh and your shin bone, and sit as far back in the chair as possible. The second lever allows you to lock the chair in any desired position. We suggest using the chair in the free float position or leaving it unlocked for the majority of the day. However, for focused work, it is recommended to lock it in the most upright position. Remember, push the lever forward to lock and pull it backwards to release. The first lever also includes the tension control adjuster, which enables you to customize the amount of force exerted by the back in the free floating position. To increase the tension, simply turn the knob forward, and for a softer feel, turn it backward. This allows you to tailor the chair's resistance to your preference, providing the perfect balance of support and comfort. The lever under the seat on the right-hand side allows you to increase the seat depth to accommodate taller occupants. The 3D arms are easily height adjustable. Simply hold the button and raise or lower them to your preferred height. Raised arms support mouse use, while lowered arms bring the chair closer to the desk. The arm top cap adjusts by sliding forwards, backwards, and rotating left and right. Utilise this feature to support your arm while using a mouse, and slide it back to get closer to your work surface. The lumbar support is adjusted from the rear of the chair. The headrest slides up and down for maximum support. The Yucan chair by Pago carries a 10-year warranty and a Green Guard Gold certification, making it an environmentally friendly choice for your home or office. So sit back, relax, and enjoy Yucan by Pago. Thanks for watching.